So standard 8, welcome back. This is our lecture number 4. Exercise 5.3. Question as usual, expand. The first one, 2m minus 5 bracket cube. So the solution will be WKT, means we know that a minus b bracket cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. See that alternate I have told you, plus minus plus minus. This way you should remember. Therefore, this is 2m minus 5 bracket cube is equal to a means 2m and b means 5. So we will put the value 2m its cube minus 3a square. A square means 2m square. 2m square into b. B is 5. Don't write minus 5 here. This minus we are taken care of. So plus 3, a means 2m into b. B is 5 square minus b cube. B cube means 5 cube. So this is equal to 2 cube is 8m cube minus 3 into 2 square is 4m square into 5 plus 3 to the 6m, we can do it, into 5 square is 25 minus 5 cube is 125. So that is equal to 8m cube minus 5 for the 20, 23 the 60, 60m square plus 25 6 are 150m minus 125. This is the answer for this. Now many of the sums we have solved in the plus format. Now I want to solve the fifth one. Fifth one is 198 cube. This I will write as 200 minus 2 bracket cube. And then I can use this formula a minus b bracket cube. So here I will write 200 minus 2 bracket cube. That is equal to a cube means 200 cube. 200 cube minus 3, a square means 200 square into b. B means 2 plus 3a. A is 200 into b square. B means 2 square minus b cube means minus 2 cube. That is equal to 2 cube is 8 and these two golas will be 3 times. This is 1 time, 2 time and this is 3 time. Minus 3 to the 6 into 2 square is 4 and these two golas will be 2 times. So this 1 time and this is 2 time. Plus, now this will be 600 into 2 square is 4 minus 2 cube is 8. So that is equal to 8, 20, and these 2 zeros minus 6 for the 24, 20, this 6 for the 24, 2400 minus 8. Now this we have to solve. So how we will solve is sequentially we will go. This is minus 2, 4, 0, 0 and minus 8. This will become, so this is first of all this. this and this will be minus. So this minus will be this 240008. This will be the total of these negatives. So 08, 00 and then 24. See this subtraction properly. Now this 2, 9, 9, 9 and this will be 5, 7 and 8. So this will be 8, 7 this. Now in that I will add this plus this 2400 2, 9, 9, 13, 6, 8, 7. So answer is 8762392. This is the answer. Hope that you have understood this. Now I will go for the next one. This calculation plus and minus you should be in a position to do properly. That I am not going to teach you in this class. In class 8 you should know all this plus and minus. Eighth question I will take, just I will explain it. X upon 3 minus 3 upon x bracket cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So this is x upon 3 minus 3 upon x bracket cube. So this is that. So that is equal to x upon 3 cube minus 3a square. A square means x upon 3 square into b is 3 upon x plus 3. A means x upon 3. B means 3 upon x bracket square minus b cube. B is 3 upon x bracket cube. So that is equal to x cube is x cube. 3 cube is 27. 3 into 3 into 3 minus. Don't cancel this. 3 into. This will be x square upon 9 into. This is 3 upon x plus. This here you can cancel. But afterwards you will cancel 3 into x upon 3 into 9 upon x square minus 3 cube is 27 upon x cube is x cube. So that is equal to x cube upon 27 minus. Now I can cancel this. 3 1 the 3 3 the 3 1 the 3 1 the. And these are x square. X square means x into x. Into here it is 1 upon x. This will cut, this will cut. So what will remain? X will remain. Plus. Now 3 1 the 3. This cancels. So 1x will be cancelled from this. So 9 upon x minus 27 upon x cube. This you have understood. This is x and this is 9 upon x into x. 1x will get cancelled. So hope that you have understood this, and here I will stop this exercise. Remaining sums you will do yourself. Goodbye.